You know, this is one of those meals that really doesn't look like much, but has been feeding families for years. It's simple, affordable, and honestly, it's just plain good. Today we're making up a classic poor man's meal, all in one pan, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is throw some oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Then throw in a large potato that I've cut into bite-sized chunks. And we're going to fry these up until they're fork tender. And these are fresh russets, but you could go ahead and use some leftover potatoes or even some frozen hash browns if you like. After a few minutes, those taters are getting tender, so we are going to add in a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Now we'll just go ahead and stir and saute this until the onion and garlic does its magic and the onion becomes a bit translucent and the garlic releases that wonderful aroma. Next up, we're going to add in a pound of ground beef. Now, you don't have to use ground beef. You could use sausage, you could use wieners, ground pork, whatever protein you have on hand. But in this case, we'll just kind of go ahead and break this up. Mix it in with those taters, and we are going to stir and fry this until it's no longer pink and cooked through. Okie dokie, we are looking pretty good here, and I don't think this is so poor after all. Even smells fantastic. Anyway, in we go with a cup of corn. This is just the good old canned sweet corn. And of course, you don't have to use corn. You can use green beans, carrots, whatever you have on hand. But I do have some frozen peas on hand, so I'm going to go ahead and throw those in. Season things up with about 1.5 teaspoons of the good old Italian seasoning that I love so much. Another teaspoon of salt, and of course we always salt to taste. And a good heaping teaspoon of the good old ground black pepper. You could also add some smoked paprika and Worcestershire sauce for that depth of flavor. Of course, we'll give everything a stir and mix until it is well combined. But man, oh man, guys, this is not looking so poor to me after all. But it is cheap. I mean, just check this out. It doesn't get much better. But we ain't done yet, my friends, because we are going to go ahead and throw in a cup of tomato sauce. Now, if you wanted, you could throw in a splash of broth just for some extra flavor and moisture, but this is looking pretty good to me just as it is. Then we'll just go ahead and let this simmer away for, I'd say 4 or 5 minutes. After simmering for a few minutes, just check this out, guys. Doesn't this look good? I think so anyway. So we are pretty much done here. It is time to plate up. But I'm telling you, this is going to be so good and it is so versatile and economical. So there it be, guys, our poor man's meal or our budget meal. And you bite into this. It is good. It is really good. It's economical and so easy to make. And if you do make it up, leave us a comment because I love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we shall see you Sunday for our next humdinger video.